Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPs and Fusion Technical. In this video, we are going to see how to update attributes for an existing invoice. Firstly, we'll create an invoice. So I'll show you how to update an existing invoice. We can we can update all the attributes except invoice number and some other attributes. In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to update an invoice date. So first we'll create an invoice. So by using the method called post, we are going to create the invoice. We'll create invoice as date update underscore one. So this is the invoice number that we are going to use. Yeah, this is the invoice number, and make sure that the method is post. Click on send button. If you face this error, don't worry. Again, press send. Yeah. Now the status is 201 created. That means the invoice is created. Now let us jump into the system and check how the invoice is created, with what date, what are all the attributes the invoice is created. Click on payables, click on invoices, click on task list, click on manage invoices, search with your invoice number, click on search, select the record and click on edit. Now here you can see the invoice is successfully created. Now we are going to check how to update an existing invoice date to future date. Click on cancel. To update the invoice, you have to extract the invoice ID. Now we'll take the invoice ID. This is the query to extract invoice ID. Now this is the invoice number. I'll paste all the payloads and queries in the description below. Now click on OK, click on data, click on view. Yeah, this is the invoice ID. Copy the invoice ID. Yeah. Now run this. Click on send. Again, click on send. Yeah. Now the response is 200 OK. That means it was successful. And now here you can see the invoice number, the currency and all. Now jump into the instance and check whether the invoice date was updated. Refresh the navigation. Refresh the page. Again, click on payables. Click on invoices. Click on task list. Now click on manage invoices. Search with your invoice number. Date update 1. Click on search. Yeah. Now here you can see the invoice date was updated from the invoice date is updated. Now click on home. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPs and Fusion Technical for more videos. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.